Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm gonna be doing my 3-tier tray, decorating it for winter. I love decorating my 3-tier tray for every single season, holiday. This is my first time I've decorated it for winter. I picked up some fun items after Christmas this year, and I cannot wait for you to see it. I also have some things that I just had laying around the house and that I just use throughout the whole year. So without further ado, let's decorate the 3-tier tray. So mostly everything you see here is new. I will tell you guys at the end where everything came from, but I always like to lay everything out and kind of get an idea of what I have and what I can use and what's going to fit in here. And I always use the same 3-tier tray. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby when it was 50% off, so it was only $19.99, and I will link that in the description box for you guys if you want to check that out. So I'm just going to start off with these candles. I've had these for years and years now. These came from Menards. I think they were actually after Christmas, and I just leave them up year round, but they're kind of glittery and they're definitely like a winter/Christmas theme. But I'm just going to use all 3 of them and just put them in here. I did have them on my hutch, but I didn't know exactly where I wanted to put them because I kind of ran out of room over there. I kept out some of these bottle brush trees. I picked these up along the way either at Target or Walmart in the past few years, and these little white trees are from Dollar Tree. These little candlesticks are from the Target Dollar Spot this year. They recently just put them out, and the salt and pepper shaker that is from, it's not even a shaker, but it's like somewhere you can store, that came from TJ Maxx recently. I know like Raydon's just a hit and miss. These, like I said, these white trees came from Dollar Tree last year, and I picked up 2 of those little candle holders from the Target Dollar Spot. And all these little galvanized milk jugs, or whatever you want to call them, those all came from Hobby Lobby. They are always like 60 or 50% off, so they're super inexpensive. I picked up quite a few of them. Some of them were Christmas ornaments a couple years ago, and some of them were just in the galvanized area, and they're super inexpensive, like between like $1 and $3. These little cups, they recently came from Hobby Lobby. They were 80% off their Christmas, so these little mugs were only 40 cents a piece, and I bought 3 of them specifically for my 3-tier tray. And I always go back and forth with this because I never know what's going to fit or what looks good, so I always just kind of add things and remove things, move things all over the place. And I know some people like to keep it simple. I like to make mine full, and I like every little spot to have something. This little pot, it was originally from Target, but I found it at Goodwill for $1.09. The little galvanized milk jug and these cute little signs, and this candle came from Target Bullseye's Playground or Dollar Spot. I'll still call it the Dollar Spot always because that's just what it was for like years and years on end. This little orbital like white decor piece that also came from Hobby Lobby quite a few years ago. And this little pinch and dash that came from TJ Maxx, and that is also Rae Dunn. I don't have a ton of Rae Dunn pieces or a ton of white pieces, so I thought that it would be perfect in my 3-tier tray. This little creamer mug or this little creamer canister that came from Hobby Lobby after Christmas a few days ago when it was 80% off. And this is what it's looking like so far. I love these light teal colors. I love the white. This garland also came from the Target Dollar Spot or Target Bullseye's Playground. It was $5, and this is exactly what I wanted to use it for, so I was glad that I was able to do exactly what I wanted. I know it might be a bit much for some people, but I think it's perfect because the tray wasn't completely full and didn't have a ton of floral and things like that. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you love the decorating 3-tier tray videos, let me know in the comments below. And also let me know if you guys have one as well. I would love to know. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will leave that link in the description box below too. So if you guys recreate any of my DIYs, you guys do your 3-tier trays for winter, Valentine's, I would love to see them, so make sure you tag me. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Taking You make me strong. I'll carry